Hi everyone. So in this module, we'll be talking about collaborative assignment learning outcomes. And along with this, the learning outcomes include several around program planning. So we'll be distinguishing between projects and programs, understanding what community engagement is, understand risk management, prepare for interpretive talk deliverables, and a few others. The other aspect, because we'll be working in teams, and when you're volunteering, you'll be in teams. A lot of it has to do with communication and teamwork. So really thinking about what collaborative problem solving looks like and sounds like, and involving, responding effectively, what kind of productive language, impact of nonverbal communications. I know any kind of training in any kind of community engagement, we cover a lot of these skills because we're interfacing with the public and engaging the community. So we want to be thinking about this, what it means to work cooperatively and be a active listener. Next, you'll see the required reading. So again, this is a short article that has a T-chart that compares the differences between a project and program, what they are, what's the defining characteristics, how you measure impact with each of those. Then you have guidelines of excellence for non-formal programs, guidelines for excellence for community engagement, what that looks like, and then stages of team development. And so these are all the required readings. And then they appear again here because you'll be reading them, each of these resources, 1, 2, and 3, and then you will be responding to the following. So you have the question prompts, but then underneath the question prompts, you have the resource directly under it, so you can refer to it as you're writing your response. And don't forget the rubric is there. Your next assignment is a reflection on your program planning assignment. So the one where you're doing your midterm collaboration experience. So you have an opportunity to reflect on your role that you took, whether it's something that you typically do or not, and then opportunity to reflect on if you would do anything differently. The next assignment is your volunteer experience and collaborative team presentation. So you're going to individually share your volunteer experience and the midterm presentation during class. And the team presentations will be limited to 5 minutes, your individual volunteer experience presentation to 3 minutes. And these are your options for the individual volunteer experience. You can either interview a current master naturalist about a job they're doing. Here's the email addresses linked here, and then here's directory links right here. So as an example, I was interested in the social media engagement, so I interviewed somebody that was doing that kind of work in the communication committee. So it's up to you what you're interested in, and interview that person. You can also shadow a volunteer, and there's some suggestions here. And you can also share your personal goals as a master naturalist using this list of possible questions to answer. So there's like 3 options. You can select which one best suits what you would like to do at this stage in the program. So, and then the next thing is the reflection on the Zoom meeting attendance. So that is as usual. You just reflect and you enter that into the text box, and there is a reflection box, and that is it for this module. So